Which country tested world first wireless rail convoy system? Answer is China, which is developed on Baoshan Railway by linking seven freight trains. It has a combined capacity of 35,000 tons. And one important thing to remember is 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. This technology is developed by China Shenhua Energy. China Shenhua Energy. Next, which country won Sultan Azlan Shah Cup of 2025? Answer is Belgium. And the runner up was India. It is an annual men's field hockey tournament which was held in Malaysia. And what was the edition? 31st. Who is captain of Pakistan football team? Answer is Zishan Rahman. Next, World Wide Web Day celebrated on 1st August every year. Who is current Director General of International Labour Organization? And the answer is Guy Ryder. Which African country hosted G20 summit for the first time in 2025? And the answer is South Africa. Which Pakistani province is the pioneer of introducing minority card? And the answer is Punjab. Where did United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Nice, France. Who is current president of Lebanon? Its answer is Joseph On. He was elected by the parliament on 9 January 2025 by ending 2 years leadership vacancy. Which country created first ever kangaroo embryos using in vitro fertilization? Its answer is Australia. Researchers at University of Queensland, Australia, they created first ever kangaroo embryos using in vitro fertilization by using specimens from eastern grey kangaroo. Next, major global and political summits of 2025 held in which countries? Starting with World Economic Forum, it was held in Davos, Switzerland. Next, G7 summit was held in Kananaskis, Canada. Next, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa summit was held in Brazil. COP30 UN Climate Change Conference was held in Belém, Brazil. World Government Summit held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Artificial Intelligence Action Summit held in Paris, France. Next, Second World Summit for Social Development held in Doha, Qatar. Next, SCO Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit held in Azerbaijan. Its headquarters is in Beijing, China. Next, Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit held in Malaysia and its headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Next, China Central Asia Summit held in Astana. Kazakhstan. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit of 2025 held in South Korea. Its headquarters is in Singapore. Next, Global Leaders Meeting on Women 2025 held in Beijing, China. North Atlantic Treaty Organization Summit held in The Hague, Netherlands. Next, United Nations General Assembly High Level Week held in New York. World Health Summit of 2025 held in Berlin, Germany. Next, World Sustainable Development Summit of 2025 held in India.